How to export transaction history on Zengo. Are you guys facing issues to export your transaction history on Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Zengo app on a mobile device. Unlock it with your Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN. Once you get logged in, now just simply tap on History, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Just simply tap on History. After you click on history, look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for export your history. You are looking to export your data, right? Just simply tap on export your history. After you click on export history, you can send it to your email or save it directly to your device. It's perfect for tracking spending, reporting taxes, or just keeping your record clear. That's it. Your full transaction history exported in seconds. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to export transaction history on Zengo wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.